Hello everyone and welcome to the session 9 and final session of unit 4, that is estimation of cost in welding and sheet metal shop. Let us move to the numerical problems. Estimate the cost of sheet metal for preparing the funnel as shown in figure, assuming the uh, scrap of the metal as 10% and cost of the sheet is rupees 20 per meter square, all dimension in millimeter. So you need to calculate the cost of the sheet metal for preparing the funnel as shown in figure. So assuming the wastage of material during cutting operation for sheet metal is 10%, the cost of the sheet is available at rupees 20 per meter square. So per meter square we need to pay 20 rupees for a sheet metal. So you need to calculate the how much area of the sheet is required to prepare this funnel. So if you see this funnel, it consists of two parts. Upper is frustum of cone and bottom one is hollow cylinder. So you have two portion. You have to separately develop these two parts and to join these two parts. The upper funnel parts, you can see the dimension here. The upper diameter of this one is 80 and the lower diameter is 40, and the height of this funnel is 60 mm. So we are taking upper part only. The bottom part portion is a hollow cylinder. So the surface area of the frustum of the cone is given by the formula half into slant height into sum of the circumference. The slant height is this one. So this is the slant height. So you need to find out the slant height here. So in order to find out the slant height, we are considering it as a right angle triangle by just drawing a construction line here. So this will become a right angle triangle ABC, in which AC is a slant height, which is a hypotenuse. So which is given by the hypotenuse. In order to find out the AC, we can use the formula the hypotenuse square equals to the opposite square plus adjacent square. We know the opposite dimension, that is BA 60 mm, and BC we don't know. We need to find out the BC length here. So in order to find out the BC length, we have to deduct 80 minus of 40 divided by 2. So this BC is, we have two side here. So 80 minus 40 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the length of the BC is 20. So the hypotenuse AC is given by 20 square plus this 60 square. 20 square plus 60 square will get 63.24 is the slant height AC. The height of this AC is 63.24 square. We got the slant height here. Next we need to find out the sum of the circumference. The circumference here is this diameter of this upper cone and the diameter of this lower part of the cone. So pi into 80 and pi into 40. So pi into 80 plus pi into 40. Sum is addition of this two circumference, pi into 80 plus pi into 40. So we will get 377 millimeter square. So next you have to use this formula. Half into slant height is 63.24 and the surface and the sum of the circumference is 377. The total area of this plate is 11.92 into 10 raised 3 is your the area required, the surface area is required for the upper portion of this funnel. Since still we have the lower portion, you can see in the figure. This is a hollow cylinder of diameter 40 and the height is 80. So you have to develop this sheet and you have to calculate the area. So you develop this sheet, diameter is 40, so pi into 40 will get lengthwise, and height is 80, it is constant. So pi into 40, so pi into 40 plus 80, so that is our next area. Pi into 40 into 80 is our next lower portion area. Pi into 40 into 80, so we'll get total surface area as 21.97. This one 1005 into 10 raised 3 is our lower portion area. The total surface area is the addition of 11.2 plus this 10.50. So 21.97 area is the total surface area. So we have to take 10% wastage of material. So 10% of 21.97 is 2.19. So 21.97 plus 2.19. So the total area is 24.167 in terms of millimeter square. So in order to convert this into meter square, divide it by 10 raised 6, because uh, the 1 millimeter equals to 1000 millimeter. 1 millimeter equals to 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So if you want millimeter square, then you have to multiply it by 10 raised 6. So if you want in meter square, then divide this into 10 raised 6, we will get it in meter square. So because why? Because the cost of the metal is given in terms of area square. So cost of the metal per 1 meter square is 20 rupees. We require this much of area of sheet. So 20 into this much area is given by rupees 0.483 cost of the material required for making this sheet. Okay. Next. A cylindrical drum of size 3 meter height and 1.6 meter mean dia are to be fabricated from the sheet of 6 mm thickness by grooved seam joint. Both ends are closed by sheet with a single seam joint. Calculate the cost of the metal if the sheet is available at rupees 1200 per meter. 1200 per meter. So that means the sheet cost of the sheet is given in lengthwise. So you need to calculate the total length of the sheet is required. So this is 1200 per meter square, this one. So the cost of the sheet is available in area. So you need to find out the area of the sheet required for making such drum. The cylindrical drum size is 3 meter height. Height is fixed one, 3 meter height. For that we need to add some extra material for making grooves. That is, for height wise we have to add 5 into thickness into 2 times, top side and bottom side. So extra material required in case of height is 5 into thickness of the sheet, that is 6 mm, and 2 sides. So 0.06 meter extra material is required in height wise in order to make the groove joint, single seam joint. So we require 0.06 meter extra material. So 3 meter plus 0.06, that is 3.06 meter of height of the sheet is required. Then the mean dia is 1.6 meter. So in lengthwise we require 10 times the thickness of the sheet for making grooved joint. So 1.6 you have to develop this diameter. 1.6 pi into d, see, pi into 1.6, that is 5.03 is our sheet required lengthwise. So for this extra excess sheet metal is required for making grooved joints. So that is 10 times the thickness of the sheet into 2 both sides. So 10 into thickness of the sheet into 2 times is 0.12 meter. Excess sheet is required for making groove for joining purpose. So 5.03 plus 0.12, 5.15 meter of material is required in lengthwise. So total area of the sheet is this 5.15 lengthwise, and height wise we require 3.06 meter. So multiply this, we will get 15.76 meter square of area of the sheet is required for making this sheet. The cost of the sheet is given as rupees 1200 per meter square. We require 15.76 meter square of sheet. So 1200 into 15.76 is 18,912 rupees is our cost of the metal. Next is calculate the blank size required for water glass as shown in figure. Made up of very thin sheets, stainless steel sheets. I will show here. So this is a glass. So this glass is just like a funnel shape here. So extra thing is only a bottom plate. So this upper portion is just like a funnel. So you have to calculate the upper portion in the form of fillet. The surface area is calculated in the form of funnel. So lower portion we have one cover plate, that is of 50 mm dia. So slant height of the frustum of cone is this AC. So this AC is 80 minus of 50. This adjacent distance is 50 minus 80 minus of 50 is 30, 15. So 15 square plus 150 square is your straight adjacent opposite square. So that will give 150.75 is our slant height. So we got the slant height here, and the sum of the circumference is pi into 80 plus pi into 50. So the sum of the circumference is pi into 80 and pi into 50, that is 408.5. So surface area of the frustum of cone is half into slant height into the sum of the circumference. We got it as 30.78 into 10 raised 3 centimeter square. So next is surface area of the base, pi into 4 into d square. So pi into 4 into d 50 square is the 1965 meter square for this covering this glass here. So we require surface area as pi d square diameter, pi d square by 4. So we require 1963 meter square for covering this glass. So total surface area is the frustum of the sum of surface area of the frustum of cone, that is 30.78 into 10 raised 3 and 1963.5 millimeter square. So total area is required is 32.74 into 10 raised 3 millimeter square. The total surface area is required for this making this glass. So thanks to all, thanks for watching this session. This finishes this unit. Thank you for watching all this session. Thank you.